Hey there! Welcome to Blades & More for a review of this Eafengrow EF 919 folding pocket knife. Eafengrow is a Chinese company that makes budget brand folding pocket knives, and this EF 919 is a good example of their work. This is a larger knife, and it has a reverse tanto type sheep foot type blade that certainly could do some work. It comes in at an overall length of 8.46 inches with a closed length of 4.88 inches. And the blade length is a little over 3.5 inches, 3.58 inches long. Has a ball bearing pivot, so it opens very nicely. And the blade is centered perfectly in the handle. Has a flipper tab opening with the ball bearing pivot, opens as smooth as silk, very nice. It's a budget price knife, comes in around the $20 to $25 range. Has a hollow grind with a plain edge, a large finger choil that allows me to clinch up on the blade for some finer work. The blade is made out of a D2 steel. And it is a G10 handle material. It's been textured and scalloped. It is a tip-up carry design with a stainless steel carrying clip that is right-hand only placement. Sits fairly deep in your pocket. The weight is 5.45 ounces. It's got a little heft to it. It's got some jimping on the thumb ramp area of the handle. Feels nice. Fits my large to extra large hand very well. The pivot screw heads anodized blue along with the other screw heads. It's an open back handle design. Feels nice for the budget price of around $20 to $25. It's a nice hefty knife that you could use for a variety of different functions, including camping, hunting, fishing. And if you wouldn't mind something a little larger, you could use it as an EDC. Everyday carry. So there we go, everybody. It's just a short little overview of this Eafengrow EF 919 folding pocket knife. All right, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye now.